Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you the reason behind that when you try to connect your smartphone, tablet, TV or any other device with the hotspot connection through Wi-Fi, then a text appears which is connected without internet. So viewers, watch this video till then. My name is Sazaman Thanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, I have connected with the internet through Wi-Fi. This connection is showing up due to the hotspot which I have turned on of my this smartphone. Viewers, I can show you the internet package also which is left. You can see the MBs are about 8654 and its validity is till 7th of August 2023. Now viewers, you will be thinking that why it's showing up in the another smartphone connected without internet. Viewers, the reason behind it is that the E is showing up here, you can see, which means that the cellular network connection is weak. Viewers, once 2G, 3G, 4G or 5G will show up here, then the cellular network connection will not be weak. So what you have to do is just wait. It usually occurs when there is a problem with the base station. Viewers, the area where I am living right now, there is no electricity. Here is power outage, due to which the base station connection is weak. I have turned on the generator, due to which the electricity is coming. Viewers, now the power outage has been fixed and the electricity is coming. Now you can see that the cellular network connections are now strong, because you can see that 4G is shown up here instead of E. Now if I reconnect with the hotspot connection, you can see that the text which was before appearing connected without internet has gone and the internet is now working. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, Get Information and Knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.